watching. I'm going to show you guys how to get construction adhesive off your fingers, and by using petroleum jelly and olive oil. I got my fingers soaked in it. You can watch the video, but I'm telling you this does work. After about 5 minutes, it's starting to just break away. Construction adhesive on my hands, liquid nails, and there's two different kinds. I think one's latex and the other one's something else, but this is worth a shot. Got petroleum jelly right here. We're just trying this. I looked this up, and there's some annoying guy on YouTube with a red shirt that pops up on Google to get the stuff off your hands. So I'm like, I'm gonna figure this out and make a video where it's not annoying. Okay, so right now I did put petroleum jelly on my hands. Is it working? Little pieces are coming off my fingers. I still want it to be faster. Maybe it'll start doing it faster as the petroleum jelly soaks in. And then somebody said eucalyptus oil or olive oil if you don't have that. So I'm gonna put some olive oil. We're just trying new things here. We're gonna see what works. This stuff is terrible. If you've ever used that foam and you pump it into cracks and stuff, you get that stuff on your fingers. The only thing I ever found to take that off my fingers was taking a sanding block, like a sponge one, and sanding my fingers off to get to, it doesn't hurt or anything, just light sandpaper, but go back and forth, and that does work. This works, but I mean, just as good as being in the shower with hot water and soap. I don't think it's working any better. I mean, this is hard stuff. This is terrible. I mean, it's just not really made to come off. I didn't even watch that guy's full video. He was so annoying. If you ever Google and just type in how to get construction adhesive liquid nails off your fingers, the red guy pops up in the YouTube video, and he's annoying as hell. So I don't know what he recommended. Maybe he really does have something good, not sure. But I don't want to know. I couldn't even watch the video, but that's about it. So does this work? Yeah, eventually you'll get it. Oh, big chunk came off there. So I guess it does work. This works, yeah. But it's gonna be some scrubbing. Maybe I should do that. Oh, that took that right off right there. Okay, so I guess you're gonna have to soak your hands in it probably about 5 minutes, and then it starts to come off. I don't want to keep talking and run a 2-hour video for you guys. So, all right, so this does work. You're gonna have to just rub it. At least it's coming off. It'll take probably like 10 minutes for sure. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you out.